hosting a last minute girls night. Last minute as in we just decided we were doing this 20 minutes ago and they'll probably be here in about 20 minutes. I'm thinking dirty martinis and pizza. Sound like a great combo. Because the pizza we'll order for delivery and then I just DoorDash dirty martini ingredients. I'm gonna make a Caesar salad to go with the pizza. I also just DoorDash more salad ingredients because I only have one head of romaine. There's only 2 girls coming over, nothing crazy. I'm gonna get this head of romaine washed. This goes in the bowl and in the fridge until the rest of the salad stuff gets here. Hopefully my DoorDasher gets here soon. The time keeps getting pushed back. Add a splash of pepperoncini juice into this martini. These out of the jar so that everything's ready when the DoorDash ingredients get here. This is absolutely not enough, so I have another jar. I've actually never tried this brand. Let's try it. Oh my god. Oh my god, there's lemon. I don't know if I want lemon for the martini, but these are so good. This brand sent me these. Let me see if they sent me a plain flavor. I had no idea that this brand sent me different flavors. These are just whole olives, and then these are Calabria and chili. That might be good in a martini. I kind of just want plain ones though. I'm gonna use these ones. Little spicy blue cheese stuffed olive sounds great. In the meantime, the baby is bathed and we're in matching jam jams. What else can I do to prep? Let's grate some cheese. Got my little buddy here. Just gonna grate some parm for the Caesar salad. So the reason this is so last minute is because girls that are coming over and all of our boys, excuse me? All of our boys are best friends and best friends since like elementary school. So now we're all really good friends. So anyway, one of the friends just bought a poker table and it got delivered to his house today. It was right down the street from us. So all the guys are meeting there to have a little poker tournament. But guys never would know what they're doing until 5 minutes before. So then all the girls were like, what are we doing? Should we have a girls' night? So here we are. I'm gonna get my martini glasses chilling, filled with ice water, and these can just sit and chill until we're ready to make our until we're ready to make our cocktails. I feel like the one girl doesn't like dirty martinis. I've never seen her drink one. I have these pre-made drink mixer things. They sound really good actually. A lavender lemon rose flavor, a paloma flavor, and a ginger mule flavor. Let's have these off to the side. Can I get a large margarita pizza? That's actually it.
Your total comes out to $24.39.
Here's our little drink set up. The DoorDasher just dropped off our order. Did I get a DiGiorno? Yes, just in case I didn't get delivery, I did. Wasn't sure if the girls were actually coming over, so I got DiGiorno for myself, just in case. I actually love DiGiorno. Croutons, more romaine, blue cheese to stuff my olives for the brine, and Caesar dressing. Croutons. Last thing I have to do is stuff my olives with blue cheese. I like to get the crumbled blue cheese because a crumble easily fits into an olive. No need to put it into a piping bag and squirt it into the olive hole. A little crumble, shove it into the hole. I want to eat one. Don't worry, all the girls are coming to see you. And oh my god, those chili olives are amazing. He cries right before he's about to pass out. Come in! Just a little splash of pepperoncini juice.
Oh, that sounds amazing. We all got scared. I was scared.
Did you
bring the things over for Corey?
Yeah, wait till him. He still hasn't got one.
Alright. What are you guys doing over there? Like,
redoing the whole front.
He ripped off the porch.
oh, really?
And siding in the front.
Oh, it's gonna look so good.
Yeah, it
It's
is.
gonna look amazing.
You want one your spoon?
Not a lot.
Here you go.
I went to
Enjoy the
Urgent
salad
Care.
too.
Oh my god, are you
Oh, wow.
serious? Oh my gosh. I need a cute picture. I'm putting them over here.
That looks amazing.
Right?
Oh, that is really good.
Right?
The splash of pepperoncini juice
Oh my
really.
gosh.
Mmm. What book?